Row units, I'm always experimenting with some different things on the row units. We have our trash sweeps are pulled instead of pushed. This helps us with our rocks. They float over them a little nicer. We also we stacked some of the trash wheels together in order to add weight to them, so that they were floating trash wheels, but it gives a little extra weight, gives a little more. They're a little more aggressive with the weight on. You know, if you don't have cover crop, it's pretty easy to move the residue, but the cover crop actually attaches some of the residue to the cover crop. So then you need a little more aggressive row cleaner in order to move that residue. And then we went to a different type of a closing wheel this year. It has spikes, but it also has bars running across to till the soil just a little bit in the row. We're really happy with them. The trash wheels are pulled instead of pushed, and you can see here we have a couple stacked together, just to give us more weight, so they're a little bit more aggressive. We have a narrow gauge wheel on here with the reduced inner diameter ledge on it. These are Case IH wheels, and the nice thing about that, those trash wheels will they'll shove the trash right to the edge of the planter wheel, and it makes a nice smooth area for that to run. Then we added these are SI closing wheels. They're cast iron, little bigger than the normal wheel. Has spikes and to penetrate the soil, and then it also has these bars running across in order to help close the slot a little better. I like this setup a little better than running the drag chain. The drag chain works great when the soil conditions are decent, but when it's a little bit too wet, we find that the drag chains don't do a whole lot, and these wheels seem to work real nice. You don't need much tension. Don't need much tension at all because of the size of them. They seem to work real nice.